Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to do foil tray green beans with some delicious garlic and some butter. It's just so yummy. If you've not done green beans before in the air fryer, then it's one of those simple everyday recipes. Trimmed green beans, thrown in the air fryer, season them however you want, and then you can choose between butter, olive oil or a mixture of them, and they're just so easy. But to save cleaning up your air fryer afterwards, you can in fact do them in a foil tray, or as you might call them, a foil pan, and they're just amazing. So I've already got my green beans trimmed, thanks to the lovely Dom, and sat here in my foil tray. So now, salt, pepper, parsley, bit of garlic. I'm using garlic puree here because it's just so easy. You can just as well mince a couple of garlic cloves. And then I've got some butter. It's been out on the side a little bit, so it's quite melty, but it's still perfect for the job. So, grab yourself some butter. I'm aiming for about a tablespoon there. So it's up to you. You can do the same amount yourself, or you can do less or more. Then just give them a mix until you've got your butter almost covered, because then it'll melt into it. So just aim for it like that, and now it's ready to go on in the air fryer. Note the butter will simply melt as the green beans cook, so don't worry about the fact it's not melted yet. And then this air fryer is just slightly too short for the silver trays, so what I tend to do is just force them in, wiggle them about, and they're fine. And then we're going to start with 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 9 minutes, and then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. So shall we check on these green beans? And just think, this has just been a 9-minute cook time. I mean, isn't that amazing? And wow, look at those green beans. So like I mentioned, the butter just sinks down and you've got a lovely buttery bottom here. So if you want to add some more flavour to them, they're fine like this and they are lovely. But if you want to take them to the next level, now they've all shrunk a bit, you can add in a little bit of salt, some olive oil, and then sprinkle them with a tiny little bit more of the parsley. Just a little bit. You really don't need a lot of it. And then we're going to put them back on just for another minute at 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. And then we've got that lovely parsley going on, the extra oil, and we've given them a good mix with the fork with the butter as well, and they'll just be absolutely amazing. And we're on the final countdown. That minute went fast. And now just take a look. Oh, the crispiness is just so nice. And it's so easy to do green beans in the air fryer. I've done them frozen, I've done them fresh, you know, and they never ever disappoint. You know, you can also get them trimmed as well if you don't want to trim them, and they're just amazing. You can just add some grated parmesan on top, and then instead of 1 minute, you would increase it to 3 minutes at the end, and it'd also be yummy. But it depends how you like it. I mean, bacon bits are also nice, and it's just a great all-rounder for a quick side in the air fryer. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too. as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.